Most entrepreneurs would say that the greatest barrier to starting a business is capital, and you can't really blame them. Funding is hard to come by. We all have those big ideas that require some massive funding to pull off. However, whilst you may not be able to secure a $1 million seed funding, there are many businesses that you can still start with absolutely no money. Yes, you heard that right. You can start a business by repurposing your existing assets. In today's video, we'll be looking at some top business ideas that you can start with $0. Let's get it on. Number 1. Online event promoter. You can start an online event promoting business at absolutely no cost. All you need is a laptop, internet connection, and the ability to hype events. Thousands of events hold every year around your locality and the country at large. From corporate events to musicals and monster truck rallies, brands are always on the lookout for individuals with a proven track record or some online presence to promote their events. This is why top brands turn to celebrities and top athletes. Every brand cannot afford Lionel Messi. Smaller brands will most likely stick with you since your price and product offering falls within their budget. To build up some momentum before your first paid job, try volunteering for event promotion companies. This is one of the fastest and cheapest ways to build up the experience you need. When searching for clients, look through LinkedIn groups, Twitter feeds, and Facebook for upcoming events. You can streamline your search using the following keywords: event planning and management, private dinners, and meetups. Number 2. Social media influencer. I once said that being popular has grown to become good business. If you have a remarkable number of followers online, then you can make some extra money promoting quality products to your audience. I'd most likely buy a book promoted by any of my favorite entrepreneurs. Similarly, depending on the quality of your online social circle, you can make money from becoming a social media influencer. There are individuals who have built an entire brand around promoting products on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. The best thing about this is that creating an account on any of these platforms doesn't cost a dime and wouldn't take more than 5 minutes. In order to succeed in this business, you need to grow to become an expert in your chosen niche. It's quite simple but requires a lot of dedication and hard work, consistently providing valuable content to your target audience, and you can slowly build a brand that will pay you in the next few months. Number 3. Social media marketer. Most brands don't have the time to keep their social media channel active. As a social media marketer, your job will entail managing the social pages of your clients, generating leads, and interacting with potential customers. If you have some extra time on your hands, say 2 hours every day, this business idea is a perfect fit for you. There are thousands of brands that need the services of a social media manager and marketer. Number 4. Freelance writer. I can confidently hype this business idea because I have made a lot of money from it. From blog posts to press releases, how-to articles, and website content, thousands of brands are searching for freelance writers. If you consider yourself to be good with words, then why not become a freelance writer? Whilst I am no longer a fan of freelancing platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, you can start your journey at a zero cost and build your portfolio as the day goes by. Number 5. Errand service. If you don't have a car, you probably have a scooter. And if there's no scooter, maybe you have a bicycle. Any of these modes of transportation can be used to start an errand service. Talk to local restaurants and businesses around you and tell them about your new service. You might be surprised at who needs an extra hand in delivering an urgent package. Number 6. Business consultant. If you are skilled in a particular subject area, sharing your experience with struggling businesses shouldn't cost you a dime. Instead, it should bring more money to your pocket. Several brands turn to business experts and consultants for advice on what to do. Sharing your valuable experience and time with others is a low-cost option when it comes to starting a business. Number 7. Graphic designer. Just like freelance writing, becoming a graphic designer doesn't cost much. If you're already a designer, then offering your service on a freelance basis should not require any startup cost. Most potential clients are only interested in your portfolio and your ability to deliver a quality job. If you have a solid portfolio of mock-up jobs, then finding clients shouldn't be difficult. There is also thousands of free resources of YouTube to help you if you are just starting out. Number 8. Personal trainer. Everybody in today's world wants to be fit. Whether it's a pipe dream or not, we've all made attempts at getting that six-pack or flat tummy. If you are interested in living healthy and looking fit, and you have the physique and evidence to support you, then becoming a personal trainer should be like a walk in the park. I must confess, I have had to consult an old classmate for some exercise routines once or twice. This was a guy who was thinner than me back in high school. Today, he makes some extra income from organizing online fitness classes. In general, I consider starting a business with $0 a low-risk way of running a business. Once your business starts generating some income, you should focus on channeling that income back into the business to scale it. Build a brand, get a website, upgrade your tools, employ some staff, etc. Did you enjoy today's video? Tell us in the comment section below.